What's the meaning of amaretti? Amaretti. 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 Amaretti.
Amaretti are traditional Italian biscuits or cookies that are made from a mixture of almonds, egg whites, and sugar. The resulting dough is shaped into small balls, flattened slightly, and then baked until crisp and golden on the outside, yet still soft and chewy on the inside. Amaretti have a distinct nutty flavor and a slightly sweet taste that makes them a popular choice for serving with coffee or tea. They can also be used as an ingredient in a variety of desserts, such as tiramisu, cheesecake, or biscotti. Overall, amaretti are a delicious and versatile treat.